Wow, can you believe we're on week 9 already? This semester is going by so quickly. All right, so this week we only have 3 words. The first word here is collaboration. Collaboration. The word collaboration means to work together as a team. You're going to have collaboration in the workforce. The next word is fortify. Fortify. We fortify or make something strong. Like the Nephite people will fortify their walls against the Lamanites. This next word is metrics. We were introduced to converting metrics in lesson 6. So again, this is metrics. It is related to a converting math or measurements. Let me know if you have any questions. Have an amazing week.